Hi guys, I'm Chantel with Wild Bear Studio, and today I've got my little package from Alum and Ink, and this is her Patreon rewards. So I'm going to put you into a downward position and we'll open this up together. Now, this is one of my favorite little subscriptions. I love her artwork, and gosh, I can't get into this package. And this is just like a little bit of happy mail that I can get each month. It's also, she will give you the information on her Patreon as to what the animal is going to be. But sometimes I like to let it be a surprise because, it's just fun to get a surprise in the mail. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. Usually it's a surprise to me anyways because I'll look at it in the beginning and then I'll forget by the time it gets here. But this is a dinosaur. We've got, I believe, a parasaur. Don't think this is a diplodocus. I think this is a parasaur. But, oh, he's so cute. And a thistle. I love thistles. I know that they are the bane of some people's gardening existence, but thistles are just so cute. And there is our little parasaur. And then we've got the pin of our parasaur. So let's see. Oop, it just slid right out the side there. Oh gosh. Now all of her pins, I believe, are gold plated. I can't remember if she specifies what carat they are, but they are very high quality and extremely nice. They make great pins, but they're also really fantastic if you clip off the backs and turn them into needle minders, which I have a whole video about how to do that. If you guys are interested, definitely check that out. And don't forget to check out her Patreon page and just her regular page because she's got stickers, she's got pins, she's got, I think, drinkware and scrunchies and, oh gosh, stationery and everything too. She's got a lot of really cool stuff and it all has her artwork on it. And she's just such a cool artist. All right, that is pretty much it. We've got our nice little haul there, and I absolutely adore it. I'm always so excited when she sends little extra bonus flowers like this, and the stickers makes me so happy. All right, guys, I will link everything down below as always, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye!